Hello there. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of micro motors from our country to multiple countries. Micro motors are used in precision devices like medical instruments, robotics, cameras, drones, and small household or electronic appliances. India exports micro motors to more than 75 countries, and these are the top destinations. And this product falls under Chapter 85 and HSN code is 850111011. And more than 6,600 shipments took place as reported on 14th of July 2025. And during the financial year 23-24, the total worth of export for this product was 49.65 million US dollars. And between April 24 and July 25, the total worth of export reached to 6.42 million US dollars. You can find manufacturers and suppliers in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. And I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.